Good morning. Welcome to the Back Porch Fishing Show. This is our special segment, Voyage to the Bottom of the Keys or Bust. We hope we don't go bust. I'm leaving the Titusville anchorage and I'm headed south. Got lots more bridges to go under, lots more sights to see. It's going to be a rough trip today, everybody. Winds should be approaching about 30 knots. I'm going to see seas up to about 4 feet. So hang on to your hats, everybody. This is the Back Porch Fishing Show. It's super windy out here. We're going into a strong headwind. I can see them kiteboarding over there on the causeway. Only one guy out. Powerful headwind. Darn. Oh well, we gotta go. It's keys or bust, right? Let's have a look at my electronics that I use to navigate with. This is my course plotter. It says I'm going 4.1 knots. And the destination to the NASA bridge is 5.8 nautical miles. And that we're headed south. I bought this color chart plotter used from a friend for $100. I don't know what it's worth or what it goes for, but it sure is worth every penny, let me tell you. Let's try out some of the other features on it. Shows you how I navigate, even in the dark. This is giving us an estimated time of arrival. Now this is the mapping feature. This is how you can tell pretty much exactly where you are within about 10 feet, I believe. And those are the channel markers that you see on the little red and green dots on the screen. As long as you stay in between those, you should not run aground. And I say you should not, but yeah, I run aground all the time. Today, luckily, though, I did not run aground. This is my depth finder. It's about as old as the hills. I don't know if it's a 70s model or an 80s model. I mean 1980s or 1970s. It is rough as rough can be out here. I'm getting an occasional 3-foot wave, and I'm headed into a nasty, nasty wind. Hey, we gotta go south. Can't sit there and go nowhere, right? We want to go to the Keys. The Keys or bust. Yeah, but not bust, we hope. Well, I turned just right into that one. No splashback. Catching up. They're catching up. Causeway Bridge. I just signaled them on the radio. Asked them for an opening, please. They responded. They said, "Come on through, Captain." They dropped the gates there. The cars are stopping. Looks like some people fishing up there. Bridge is opening. Boy, it's rough out here. Alright, I put the pedal to the metal there. That's my pedal. Moving at 4.6 knots. Guys fishing. They're fishing out there. Maybe they'll catch a fish while we're going by, huh? That'd be pretty cool. Ooh-wee, it's windy. matter where you go, no matter what you do, somewhere in the world, it's 420. They like our Ooga horn. They're giving it the thumbs up, man. Rough. The current's coming through here swiftly, very swiftly. Bunch of hungry fishermen, right? Couple over there. Somebody out sailing. Good thing he's got a big boat. Remember, I'm motoring out here into the sticks, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching the Back Porch Fishing Show. Join me in all my adventures. Take care, everybody.
What do you mean that's a dumbass video? I don't see your ass up and doing any tricks. Hey, I'm just clapping because it's over.